me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.
Hi, BADMIND. What? I me this way say nobody don't come out to nothing. I know it must grieve you to see my blessings turn up. Because if you was God, BADMIND, you would wake me up. What me do you do, BADMIND? Look how me easy and just calm. But you like me not have to do nothing. All me have to do was born. Look how much you have and me have so little. And no matter how much you have, BADMIND, you still a pre-bear evil. BADMIND, you come in like when gas done in a car. So you come to me to fill you up with empowerment. Then I drive off gone with people who don't even rate you enough to give you a word of encouragement. But me still a give you when you want it. You can't use me. No matter how much you rob for me, you don't blind. God is still blessing me. So when your friend named Envy and your best friend Jealousy, I found way back in our childhood days, you have a pick for me. I'm sorry for hear about your mother, and I'm sorry for hear about your wife. But all the obia what you walk, it couldn't save her life. One time in my life, me ever use powder, and that was Johnson & Johnson. If something depend me prefer go check a person. But what the way you ignorance of me there foreign? You never get the visa? Well, me and you in the same boat, cause me can't come back and you can't left Jamaica. Remember when you used to take me for granted? When me call and don't even answer. Now you can't even get a prips on me if me don't post on social media. You remember when you used to laugh off of my mother? She should have 10 of we live in a one room. Now we live in a big mansion with all helper, clean and groom. Remember you beat up my sister? True, your man did say she look sexy. So me shocked for you say you breed all a 3-time for him and him still left you and go marry Lexi. Who that? Oh, BADMIND, are you? Come in. Sorry people, but it just a daydream. You can't get rid of BADMIND. Them family very large. You just have to pray, don't? And put your trust in God.
Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.